The Ohio Supreme Court has sided with the utility provider AEP, saying they do not need to refund millions of dollars.
In 2018 and 2019, customers paid for 2 coal plants, part of the House Bill 6 bribery scheme.
Your Columbus Bureau reporter Morgan Trout explains why you won't get your money back and gets reaction from both sides of the issue.
They're so high.
Energy bills have continued to climb across Ohio.
We're talking about the difference between a couple $100 and $500.
And American Electric Power customers like Catherine Terser have been hoping for some relief.
$50 would definitely help most of us.
And $50 is what she would have received if the Ohio Supreme Court had sided with the utility watchdog group. But the justices ruled that AEP doesn't have to refund nearly $75 million to utility customers after they were accused of overcharging them to pay for 2 unprofitable coal plants, one not even in Ohio.
Infuriating?
The Public Utilities Commission had approved AEP to collect subsidies from consumers to pay for the plants in 2018 and 2019, which then grew into further costs tied to the largest bribery scheme in state history, House Bill 6, when First Energy bribed public officials to give them a $1 billion bailout. And AEP benefited from this because it codified the coal plant subsidy into state law. It has since been repealed. But in a unanimous decision by the court, the justices found that no laws were broken when AEP started charging, since it could have been costly to customers to shut down the plants. And some lawmakers are still supportive of them.
Ohioans who work at this plant, generations, their grandfathers worked there.
Former Speaker Jason Stevens said that it could cause people to lose jobs if the plants were to shut down. And he argued that the subsidies weren't part of the corrupt aspects of HB 6. Attorney Scott Poland said that the Supreme Court made the right decision since those plants help energy diversification.
We need a well-balanced energy policy. We need natural gas. We need coal. We need nuclear.
But Terser disagreed, saying that the plants were inefficient and corrupt.
We deserve to pay bills we owe, not ones we don't.
Still, she's glad that she doesn't have to pay for them moving forward. At the Ohio State House, I'm your Columbus Bureau reporter, Morgan Trout.